Cameron trying to get to her toys. Trying to figure out this crawling business. She's not all that far away. And she's little by little getting it. You can do it, Cameron. Baby, why are you on your high chair? Here. Here you go. There you go. You're okay. You're close. Here, I'll scoot it forward a little bit more. She really wants that green one. Oh, there you did it! Yay! You did it! You did it! You got the brick! Yay! She scooted herself. She hasn't got the hang of crawling down yet, but she's getting there. Little by little. Scoot him back a little bit. Now get him, Cameron. Get him, babe. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, look, you did it. Yay! She's one smart little baby. Yay, Cameron! Yay! Good girl! Good girl! You got that brick. All right, Cameron, can you say bye to the camera? Baby, can you say bye? Can you say bye? Cameron! Nope, she's too focused. All right, bye-bye.